Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. We'll start the new year with a sweet dish, and that is carrot payasam. For this, I have taken one large carrot, washed, peeled, grated and kept ready over here. Apart from this, you will need some milk. I have boiled and kept it ready. Also, sugar to taste. And then these are some slices of pista, cashew nut, a few cardamoms, a little bit of ghee. And this is Charmagaz. Charmagaz means 4 different types of seeds. There's a mixture which you get in a packet, which is watermelon seeds, melon seeds, cucumber seeds, and pumpkin seeds. So if you get this mixture of Charmagaz, you can use it. Or if you get any one of them alone, say pumpkin seeds alone, then also you can use either pumpkin seeds or melon seeds. If you don't get any of these, you can just soak a handful of badams or almonds. Soak them in hot water and peel. Here you just soak them in hot water and then we'll grind it into a paste. Okay. Now let's start. So for the first step, in a pan, I'll take 2 teaspoons of ghee, added some cashew nuts. I'll fry it till golden brown and keep it aside. See, the cashew nuts are well roasted. We'll drain it out and keep it aside. Add in the grated carrots to this. Saute it in the ghee for about 5 minutes till the raw smell goes away. Next, take 1 cup of milk, add it to the carrots and allow it to cook till the carrots are soft and well done. While the carrots are cooking, we can grind this to a paste and keep it ready. We have ground the Charmagaz to a paste. Next, we can even powder the cardamom and keep it ready. Our cardamom powder is ready. These peels, don't throw it away. In whichever container you store your regular tea leaves, add it to that container. So whenever you make tea, you will get a lovely cardamom flavor. Now see, our carrots are also well cooked and done. They have become soft. At this stage, add the sugar to it. I have taken 1/3 cup of sugar, because sometimes the carrot itself is very sweet. So you add 1/3 cup and then if required you can always add more. This should do. Sugar has also dissolved now. At this stage, you can add this ground paste of Charmagaz to this. This gives the payasam a very creamy texture and adds to the taste and flavor too. People add it to sweets, to kurmas. Okay, you can just take a little bit of milk and rinse it out so that we get the goodness of all the seeds. Yes. Again, mix it all well together and keep stirring the payasam from time to time. Allow it to cook for a couple of minutes till everything is well blended together. As I said, if you don't have Charmagaz, Soak some almonds or badams, peel the skin, grind it to a paste. While grinding, you can add a little bit of milk to help you grind it, and add that also at this stage. Finally, we'll top it up with more milk. We added 1 cup milk initially to cook the carrots. Now I have added the second cup. This is the third cup. And again, bring everything to a boil. See, our payasam has boiled well and cooked. Also, it is nice and creamy. At this stage, we can switch it off and add the cardamom powder to it. Mix it well. Add a few of these fried nuts and some slices of pista also. Remaining I have kept to add on in each individual bowl. So this can be had served either at room temperature or serve it chilled. Then also it tastes very good. This cup in which I measured milk is exactly 250 ml. So we have taken 3 cups of milk, which is 750 ml of milk, and 1 large size carrot like this I have taken and grated. So our tasty treat to begin the year, carrot kheer or carrot payasam is ready. A very healthy option. Both children and adults will enjoy this. As I told you, you can serve it hot or serve it chilled. Do try out the recipe, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. Please tap the bell icon for notification about my latest videos. Thank you.